If your Toyota RAV4 won't start, don't panic. We can diagnose the most common culprits in just a few minutes. Statistically, over 70% of no-start issues on these vehicles are traced directly back to a failing battery or loose connection. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint exactly what is preventing your engine from turning over. Always prioritize safety by checking that the vehicle is in park, and then inspect your battery terminals for any signs of corrosion. The most frequent suspects are a dead battery, corroded cable ends, or a starter motor that has finally reached its end of life. If those look fine, check your fuses and relays or verify the brake light switch, which must engage for the start sequence to trigger. You can often handle cleaning connections or jumping the battery yourself, but internal starter or computer issues are best left to a professional. This chart shows the average cost for these common repairs, highlighting why accurate diagnosis saves you significant money at the shop. For deeper diagnostics, use an OBD-I scanner to read trouble codes or a multimeter to confirm if your battery can hold a charge under load. Keep a basic toolkit ready, including a 10 wrench, a multimeter, and a scanner, so you are prepared for most electrical troubleshooting tasks. Remember, the simplest explanation is usually the correct one, so always verify your connections before ordering expensive replacement parts. If these steps do not get your RAV4 running, have it towed to a qualified technician to avoid further electrical damage.